morning, Fateh. You're the first one. Helena is here. Hi, Helena. Today is Friday, Helena. Friday you can wear color dress, okay? Just inform me just in case if you don't know. Where are the others? Hmm. Guys, are all your works uploaded? Just cross check. Today I'm going to assess everything and add the marks. So just cross check if any work is pending, something is there.
Yeah, I'm just having one pending, which is the communication one. We have to make a video. That's all. My mom said we'll do it in the weekend.
Oh, only that is pending, right? What about Helena?
Yeah, everything else is done.
Perfect. Yes, Helena.
Communication and a worksheet.
Science worksheet?
No, Hindi.
Hindi worksheet is pending. Okay, that's good. No, pending is not good. Rest of the work is completed. It's good. Where are the others? I'll just drop a message in the group. 1 second. Marira is on leave. She's not well. She's having a fever.
Why does Marita every time get the fever?
She may have low immunity. We don't know. Let me drop a message.
I think everyone thought today is a holiday.
Why today's a holiday in calendar is there, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amila. Amila, today is a color dress day. Today is Friday. Today you can wear any color dress.
Can I go where?
Yeah, sure. When it is normal days, she wears color dress, and when you can actually wear color dress, she's wearing white. Helen, do you want to change?
No.
No, I have bought some white dresses, right? Is it raining there?
Training?
Yeah, here in India, in Kerala right now, it's raining really heavily.
In Abu Dhabi, it's like so rare to rain. If it rains, people get so happy.
Huh? It must be hot, right?
Just yesterday and day before yesterday, it was like 50 to 45 degrees. And I went out too.
That is too hot. That is like very hot. Amla has changed. Amla, is all your works uploaded? Is there anything pending? Amila?
She's on mute.
Why are you on mute, Amila? Hi, Amila. Amila? What is happening here?
You're on mute.
I am not on mute. Okay, Amila. Amila,
No, I
we
said.
can't hear you. You need to refresh. It's like everyone just woke up from the sleep. Did you guys just woke up from the sleep?
I woke up 1 hour ago.
1 hour ago. Hi, Amira. Can you hear us? Try speaking something.
Yes, I can hear you, but you can't hear me.
Are all your works uploaded, Amila?
Yeah, I took every photos.
Did you upload it?
No.
No?
I only took the photos.
Upload it now. Hurry up.
Is it open?
It's open, I think. Yes.
Let me check then.
Hurry up. Upload everything. We don't have time.
No,
Ma'am,
it's
I
not.
opened the mouse.
It's not open, ma'am.
Don't open the mouse. Which which activity is not open for you, Amla? Which activity do you want?
Oh, theme project, it's missing on me.
Which one? Tell me which one it is.
The theme project, ma'am.
Theme project, is it in science or is it in English?
Max.
It's in math. PYA1 math. Who's taking math? Abhidhamma ma'am, right?
Yeah.
I'm asking you to
Yesterday,
upload it quickly because I have to open it. No, it's already open. Theme project is open.
It's like missing open.
Yeah, so you can upload it, right?
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Milan. Milan, did you upload your works?
Yeah, just some of them are incomplete.
None of your works are complete. Which some of them? What did you complete? I don't see anything here. Project is 25 marks and project you have assessment also. That is not complete. It's not acceptable, Milan. Only you have not completed. What are you thinking?
I don't know what mark I'm gonna get in this Teams Arabic second language.
You're worried about second language. I'm worried about science.
I'm not worried about science, English, maths. My dad will teach me that, but the only thing is my second language.
That
It's
also
just
mama
horrible.
can teach, right? Milan, there's a particles of matter activity which is not completed. Then there
Sorry,
is
mom.
properties of solid. None of you have done it. Helena, you have not done it. Amila has not done it. Fateh, you are. I'm talking about earlier before combining classes. Okay.
Yeah.
Helena,
Yeah.
properties of solid particles is not completed. Check
Is
it.
it that this thing?
Yeah, we make a table and put in a different
This thing?
right. You have to remove your background, then only we can see.
Is it this thing?
This is
That
math,
we
right?
all. This is the
No,
project.
this before combining, Abhirami ma'am gave them a worksheet in which they had to write some answers. It is just one word. You don't even have to write much, guys. Why is it not done yet? Helena, that is like you are losing 10 marks from your answer sheet. 10
Why don't
marks.
you get the same like worksheets and same homework?
Because different teachers were teaching you, right? So different teachers means different works according to the way they teach. All teachers teach differently. Some like activity based, some like worksheet based, some like to make you do the work actually. For example, me, we did a lot of works, right? So especially in English, do you remember in English how many works we did? Oh, Fateh was like, please don't give any more works. I don't want to write anymore. Milan, what are you doing there? Why are you so silent?
I'm so tired.
Everyone is tired in life. Why are you tired?
Yeah, but yesterday I was watching the 2026 World Cup, Mexico versus South Africa.
I think you should focus a little more on
Bro,
studies.
at night you're watching 2020 Mexico versus South Africa World Cup.
Bro, I have to do it, man. It's football, bro.
I know, but the 2026 World Cup was on like June 3rd, not today, not yesterday. I think they changed
Don't
it.
worry, I'm Helena. Even I don't know. I don't like football or cricket much. To watch, I like to play.
Yesterday it showed.
I hate cricket. I never play it.
Milan, instead of wasting your time on television and social media, I would suggest you focus more on completing your works. None of your works are completed. Last theme
Ma'am,
I've told you your marks are low compared to everyone
Ma'am,
else.
1 second.
Don't go
ma'am,
1 second. Please turn on your camera. Yes, Amida?
no, no, network is a little low. That's why.
It's Okay, which is your first Java people?
Hindi.
Go,
Why
go, go
is
to
why
Hindi.
isn't
Go to Hindi and to second language. Bye bye.
ma'am? Why is no one joining,
I don't know. We'll talk to them. Let's see. Bye bye, Fateh. Bye, Malak.
brother?